Hello and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science Life Processes. So all plants and animals carry out 7 processes in order to stay alive. The table below shows these 7 very important life processes. Number 1 is what we call movement. This is easier to see in animals than in plants because plants move very slowly as they grow, whereas animals and human beings are moving all the time. Respiration, number 2, getting energy by reacting food with oxygen. So respiration happens when our cells break down food and we gain energy and oxygen from them. Number 3 is sensitivity. So sensing changes around them and then responding. Number 4 is growth. So food is used to build up the parts of the body. Reproduction, producing offspring, in other words, young. Excretion, getting rid of poisonous waste chemicals from the body. And lastly, nutrition. Plants make their own food by photosynthesis, whereas animals must feed on plants or other animals to live. So to understand this, just in case you forget, you can use the mnemonic Mrs. Gren as an easy way to remember all the 7 processes. Okay, so Mrs. Gren, which is the first letter of these words here. All right, so good luck with the rest of these questions, and we'll go through this in much more detail in our next class. Thank you.